Hey there, this is Pam Belders coming to you May 19th. Yes, it's May 19th. Can y'all believe this? Anyway, I wanted to do a couple unboxings. I know I was not here last night. Last night we had air, okay, but the thermostat wasn't talking to the AC, so therefore it would kick on, kick on, kick off. So today it was just so humid in the house. Humid, all day long, all day long. So they didn't get here until about 2, 1:30 or 2, and then they didn't leave until like 4. And my husband had to go buy a new thermostat. So goodbye, bye-bye Nest. We're now with Honeywell. We're doing Honeywell. So we're actually gonna have to paint because we didn't take the um, thermostat off the last time. But anyway, let me do my unboxing. So, I already have this paper. This is from my last box, but I don't have the box out. It's already got the last order I got. I ordered some more Thoughtful Journey. Love that paper. So anyway, and this is always good. The Sorted Memories and More pack. It's always good to do because then you already get your cards and your envelopes there. And you can make anything with it, especially the little Memories and More packs. Oh, you know what? I don't have my book here. What I do have, though, is the in color. I'll turn my camera around in a minute. But I do have in color that is actually out now. I do have a club. If anyone wants to still join, I do have some space available for my in color club. And it's $43.50 for in color club. Let me turn my camera around real quick and I can show y'all the colors. So here they are. I did this before. I do have a pad. They weren't going to make the pads. They aren't exactly right, I think. I don't know. We'll have to test that out. You know what? Maybe I'll do that right now. So I have one. Let's go ahead and see what this pad's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like that. I thought I brought all my stuff in here and I'm still in the other room. So anyway, let's check this out. We're gonna see how this color works. Let me block something up real quick. I think this is a retired stamp set, but we're doing it to just play for 2 seconds. Thank y'all for watching me live or replay. Who all's there? Here, I can't tell who. Anyway, let me put this on a block and we'll see what it looks like. Excuse my paper here. Guess I should get another piece. Actually, I've got an extra piece of paper here. Let me pull it out here. I think I do. No, I do somewhere. Just a second. That piece? I don't think that's the right piece. Oh, here's a little piece. We'll just go with this. Let's see how this stamps up. Oh, you know what? Let's see how this color. So that might be why they're saying it doesn't work well. So that might be it. But anyway, I digress. Let's go ahead and shoot on for the unboxing. And let's see what I got. So, this box, I should have 3 unboxings. I don't know what to do with the other box. I'll have to find it in a minute. Oh, I think I put it over there on the other table. Anyway, this is kind of thank you cards. So I'm going to do some thank you cards. So I thought that was kind of cute, the thank you cards. And then I also got, crazy as it is, oh my stomach, the paper bouquet kit. So if anybody is interested in the paper bouquet kit, here it is. I should have got it for Mother's Day and did that instead of going to, I went all the way down to somewhere, Waco, and to get some tulips, and got them some tulips. But anyway, we'll come back to that. Those two, I'm not going to open them up right this minute, but here is the unboxing also of my paper pumpkin that I just got today, which was really weird because it had a USPS tag on it, UPS, but then I had some other place to deliver it. Anyway, when you do a paper pumpkin kit for the first time, you get a block, the stamp set, and a Stampin' spot. And we'll see what those say in a minute when I get in here. So let me do the unboxing. I know John does this so much better, but we'll see what we got here. I'll get this out of the way, this box out of the way. I'll move that out of the way too. Move the box out of the way. Move this out of the way. Well, I'll just turn it over. That way it'll be easier. Anyway, okay. So here's all the stuff. I don't know. Can y'all see me okay? Yeah. All right. So that's what we got here. Again, thank y'all for watching me. And matter of fact, I think we do have I believe we have a special going on right now. I think if you get $65 worth of product for $99 plus plus tax, and shipping, I believe, is included. So that's really cool. Okay, so this is tear and tape. I couldn't remember what it was. These are the envelopes. Oh, kind of cool. They look like kind of watercolor. So there's going to be 6. Usually there's 9 here. So 3 of these. 3 of this one. This looks like an orangey color. That's a kind of blue. These might be in color. I bet so. I bet this is that orange color. I bet this is Timid Tiger. And I bet this one is Cloud Cover. And I bet this one is the Secret Sea. And I'm just going for what I think. I haven't looked at anything. Oh, and a big old thing of dimensionals. And here's some die cuts. Yes, let's just put your words on usually. Look at these these cards. Oh my gosh, I could probably do these in a heartbeat. I have to do last month's. I loved it too. I should go back and do it too. Okay, so here we go. Oh, it's a Father's Day. We have no fathers anymore. I lost mine 31 years ago, or 30 years ago, excuse me. Tomorrow's my anniversary. We were almost married a year when my dad passed away, but then his dad just passed away in March of this year. You mean the world to me, to a wonderful man. I could do that to John. Happy birthday. I love you. Best dad ever. You're the greatest. And happy Father's Day. So we won't be using probably Happy Father's Day anymore on anything. I don't even have any uncles or anything. He doesn't have any uncles either. All his uncles are passed away. So let's see what colors that are in here. Look at there. Basic black, Lost Lagoon. I was wrong. Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, Pecan Pie, and Petal Pink. I was so off. And you can also still order, I believe this is the stuff that coordinates with it. I don't know which one's supposed to go with it, but let's see what the cards are supposed to look like. Like that. And I think I have a stamp that kind of looks like that too. So there's some mountains. And you'll know I just got back from Gatlinburg, so that is really cool. I could do some Gatlinburg ones. And here's some more dies. And these look like vellum, some colored vellum. Can y'all see that it looks like vellum? So vellum. And then there's these, 3 of these. This kind of looks like a sunset with some with 3 of them with the mountains. And then here's some more dies. These are not vellum. These are regular die cuts. Okay. And here's some more mountains. Oh, and then here. So here are these. And 3 of those. And then these dies. So there's a couple trees. Thank you for being the person that you are. Now you can do that to a mom too, or just a family friend, I would assume. Or you can always use the back side and put a different stamp there. That's my opinion, and I'm sticking with it. So anyway, there's that. This, I think I'm going back the right way because I think they go together with them. Let's just see. And I think I saw some alts somewhere, or I don't know, I didn't really look. So let's, wonder what these go to. I can't tell. But anyway, there's all that. And then oh, I forgot these. Anyway, there we go. Love doing unboxings, but I need, of course, and then I'll stick this all back in the box without the tissue paper. That's usually how I do that so I can keep up with it. There we go, with the instructions on top. There we go. Don't forget, if you order that, you can do, if it's your first kit, you get that. Let's go back to this one. Let me see. Wonder how long this would take to do. And what all, and this stuff comes all together. I don't think there's any stamping with this one. So if you don't like to stamp and you just want to create and put stuff together, this is the way to go. I think this is like, a lot of it's tissue paper that's already all cut out for you. All you gotta do is put it together. No alternates with this. Oh. Okay, let's see what we got here. So it's supposed to look like that. Let's see what you do. Okay. So you make 3 of these. 3 of these. Oh, you gotta use a glue gun. I have one of those right here. Oh, I got this one for my birthday or Christmas. I can't remember which. But it is a cordless glue gun. I love it, love it, love it. You just flip that sucker on and it goes. I don't know if it's on or not. Let me see if it... I may not have it plugged up. I thought I had it plugged up. May not be plugged up right this minute. But anyway, that's what I've got. So I will record a video of this later. Anyway, thank y'all for watching me. I don't know if anybody came on. Oh, hey, Dorothy, what's going on? I don't know if you were here or not, but that's my unboxing. All right, I think I'm going to make this little flower arrangement. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Bye. Wait, wait. There was something else I was going to do. Okay, well, I'll come back in a little bit after I finish my flowers. Let's see how long that takes. Bye.